Welcome back. In this video, we're going to go over how to cancel a document, an in-house sign document, after it has been sent. To jump into in-house sign, I'm just going to click on the in-house sign menu. So I get into the in-house sign module. So I'm currently in the documents tab. We're going to be sending a document using our template called test proposal. I'm just going to jump into this template really quickly. As you can see, this template has one role, so meaning that we're going to have one recipient. We have two elements overlaid on top of our PDF document, our two-page PDF document. So we have a text block that is mapped to the recipient's name, and we have our signature element. We're going to jump out of here, back into the Documents tab. We're going to go ahead and create our document. We're going to call this document Test Proposal X125. We're going to go ahead and use the template. I am going to select Test Proposal, switch to the development environment, go into the recipients, select myself as a recipient, jump into the security tab, turn this off because I have secure access to my email, and I'm going to go ahead and send this. So it's going to go ahead and generate my e-signature app and then send it out. So let's just say, for whatever reason, we made a mistake, or, a person calls us and says, hey, this is not the terms that were agreed to, whatever the case may be, and we want to cancel this document. All we need to do is go into the document, so view it. And then when you go into it, as long as this document has not been signed, you're going to see the cancel documents button. We're going to go ahead and click on cancel document. It's going to prompt you, are you sure you want to cancel this document? And you can say, okay. Now keep in mind that when you cancel this document, it's canceled forever. There's no reversing this action. I'm going to click on OK. And just like that, this document has been canceled. As you can see, the status has changed. And I've received a notification that it was canceled. And one thing you need to know is that your recipients are also going to receive a notification that a document was canceled. As it says here, this document was canceled by myself, and your recipients are going to receive that notification. All right, that's it for this video. See you in the next one.